Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about milk and how it is very beneficial for your skin. Milk is a powerhouse of vitamins for good skin, and it also includes vitamin A, which solves dry skin. Milk does not just work wonders for acne prone skin, it also cleanses the skin of excess oils and dirt, which tends to clog the pores and form acne. It's also very essential for healthy skin and new cells division. Milk contains lactic acid, which fights off the microbes that are definitely responsible for acne. So if you have an acne prone skin, or you just want to brighten your skin and make your skin flawless, then milk is going to do a lot of wonders for you. You might not be able to use milk in your body, like you might not be able to digest milk, but you can convert the same milk and use it for your skin. Milk has vitamin D, which is very good for youthful and glowing skin. It helps to boost collagen production. It slows down fine lines and wrinkles. It protects the skin from free radicals that cause premature aging. It helps to fade dark spots and marks. It helps to reduce acne, and it promotes skin elasticity. Milk has vitamin B6, which is necessary for new skin cell formation. It helps to keep your skin moisturized and healthy. Milk has biotin. It helps to heal dry and withered skin. It helps to revitalize your dry and cracked skin. Milk has protein. It's very beneficial for tissue repair and growth. It promotes strong and wrinkle-free skin. Milk has vitamin B12, which helps to heal rough and uneven skin. It has skin lightening properties. It is very useful for evening out skin discolorations and acne scars. Milk has lactic acid, which moisturizes, hydrates, and nourishes dry skin. It keeps your skin looking youthful and combats free radicals. Milk has calcium, which makes up the topmost layer of the skin. It boosts collagen production, fights free radicals as well. Milk has magnesium. It helps to keep and maintain your youthful radiant skin and slows down the aging process. Milk is a combination of all these things. I can keep going on and on, but we can see that milk has a lot of benefits when it is applied to our skin. This is one of the best skincare regimen that you can do. In the days of old, Cleopatra, people in Egypt used to literally bathe in milk to keep their skin looking fresh, to fight off free radicals, to keep aging and wrinkles off the body. So by the time you use milk on your face daily, it can help to brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, repair loose skin, treats acne and pimples. It works as a great cleanser, and it makes your skin glow. So I'm just going to pour some milk here. You can use any milk you have. I'm going to use this on my face. You can use milk for any part of your body. It doesn't have to be your face alone. You can use it for your hands, you can use it for your face, you can use it for your legs, anywhere primarily where you want to brighten up. So I have some milk here. It's a cotton pad. You can just dab it into the milk, give it a gentle squeeze, and apply it all over your skin, your face, anywhere you want some skincare routine on. And milk is very safe. Even if you have sensitive skin, milk is one of the best things you can use on your face that will not require too much work. Milk is one of the things you can also go to bed with. So if you want a very good and lasting skincare regimen, you can apply this at night before you go to bed, and go to bed with it and wake up the next morning, wash your face, and apply your moisturizer. Milk has a lot of compounds. It's something that when you even apply on your face, it doesn't dry out your skin, unlike some other skincare products. So this is something that is very good for you. It also helps to moisturize your skin. If you don't want to go to bed with it, you can also apply for about 20 minutes, wash off with some lukewarm water, apply your moisturizer, which is optional because I said milk in itself has moisturizing properties. So guys, if you do this at least once a week, you will see that your skin will remain very youthful, very vibrant, no dark marks, no dark spots whatsoever, no wrinkles. It's anti-aging, so it's also going to help to take care of all those things on the long run. Milk is very good for your skin. That is one of the best things that can happen to your skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video because someone might need this bit of information. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is a good time for you to subscribe because I share many amazing videos like this on how you can take care of your skin, take care of your body and everything. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Just stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye.